Protect. Protect. We should protect the environment because it is important for life on Earth. Trees, water, and air must be clean so people and animals can live safely. Everyone can help protect nature by recycling and not wasting resources.